Hi everyone, Leah here from EurekaCrystalBeads.com with another helpful beading video for you. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to go check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and notification bell and you'll always know when we're posting new content. What I have for you today is a beautiful, simple to make, inexpensive, stunning dangly earring made with crystal cup chain. And I think crystal cup chain might be a little intimidating to some people because, you know, there's no loops on it. So how do you attach it to things? Well, I'm going to show you how to utilize crystal cup chain ends to make this wonderful long dazzling earring that was inspired by 2019 New York Fashion Week. So super simple. What we need for tools, we need a cutter to cut our cup chain. And that's super easy. I've already cut my piece here. You simply grab wherever you want to make your cut and you cut down. It's very simple. And I have my chain nose pliers. These will be used to open up my ear wire loop. And my favorite little sort of insider trick tool for closing the cup chain end is I love using my crimper tool. Now you can use your chain nose as well, but I really love using my crimper tool for this because I find it makes it a little bit easier because of those grooves in the crimper tool jaws. So what I'm going to start by doing is taking my cup chain end, and as you can see, it is just a little square that holds a piece of cup chain just kind of nestled in there. It's got a loop at the end, which you can attach to ear wires or to a clasp, and then it's got two little prongs on either side that get folded down over the cup chain stone at the very end. Super simple, super pretty, and super inexpensive. So all you do is you take that final little bit of cup chain, you stick it right into that little square of the cup chain finding. Nice and simple. And now the trick here is to bend your prongs down nice and gently. You don't want to press down too hard or too much on one side because you don't want to crack the crystal, and you don't want to press down too much on one side where it shifts the stone and then it's more difficult to press down on the other side. Okay, so now that I have my little piece of cup chain, the little end piece here, nestled right into the cup chain finding, all I'm going to do is use my crimper tool to nudge down that first prong. So you can see just how I have it angled in there. And I'm going to gently nudge down that first prong just a little bit. It takes very little pressure, and you just want to do a little bit because now we're going to put it in the other way and we're going to squish down the other prong a little bit. You want to go back and forth. Don't squish one prong too much, just like I said. Okay. And then you're going to go back to the first prong. Give that another little squish. Little by little, we're going to get our prongs down evenly. Just like that. You can see it's just like in there, just at a diagonal. And it's super simple. Our prongs now come ever so slightly over the stone, and we have our cup chain secured in place. And again, that crimper tool really, I think, allows you to get the piece in there at just the right angle to nudge those little prongs down, and it makes it much easier. So now to finish this up, we just go to our pair of ear wires here. I'm using my chain nose pliers to nudge this open to the side. You always want to swivel loops open and never open them up like this, because otherwise down here can eventually get weak and break. You always want to swivel. We're going to stick this right onto our earring and we're going to close it. Super simple, super beautiful, dazzling crystal cup chain earrings. Okay, folks, that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. Make sure to visit us on over at EurekaCrystalBeads.com for everything that I used in this video. And we will also link you below to all of the products. We have crystal cup chain in so many different colors, so your options are endless with this beautiful earring design.